I am in the Coding for Beginners book using Scratch. I'm on page 26. Once upon a time, we are going to write a little story here. And we're on step number 1. It says choosing characters, and it says start a new project and delete the cat. So if we right click on the cat over here and hit delete, the cat goes away. So then it says to click on the Sprite button, which is right here, to open the Sprite library, and this is the Sprite library. And it comes up with all of them by default, but let's click on Fantasy here, and that is the group that has Pico and Giga. Now if you click on one, you get it selected, but then if you click on the other one, it deselects the first one. But if you hold the Shift key down, I'm doing that right now, and then click on the second one, you can make multiple selections, so you don't have to go in here twice. And then we can click on OK, and both of those will be added, and they appear down here, and they appear kind of at random positions, I guess, on the screen. Now we're on step number 2, adding a backdrop, and it says look for the backdrop button to the left of the Sprite area, and the backdrop button is right here. Let's click on that, and it'll bring up a bunch of backdrops for us, and they use the one that has a snowy mountain picture in it, and it's called Slopes. So we're going to scroll down a little bit, and there we are in the S's, and there is Slopes. Click on it, and the blue selection line appears, and then click on OK. And now that is our background. And you don't have to pick that one. Again, you can pick a different one if you want to. And it says drag the characters to arrange them against the backdrop, so you can kind of arrange them any place you want to. I think it probably looks a little bit better here if we have them so it kind of looks like they're standing on something. So this one looks like Giga's just kind of floating out here. We'll put her down here on the same slope that Pico's on. And that brings us to the bottom of page 26, so that's the end of that video.